Hello Tech Toolers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will look at a tool which will help you to convert text to speech for free. Balabolka is a text-to-speech software. All computer voices installed on your system are available to Balabolka. Balabolka supports various text formats which you can directly import to the software. The software uses various versions of Microsoft Speech API. It allows to alter a voice parameters, including rate and pitch. Balabolka can save the synchronized text in external LRC or MP3 tags, the same way you see lyrics for a song. You can use Balabolka on a portable version. You don't need to install it on any Windows operating system. It even consists of a command line utility tool. Balabolka is a Russian word which means chatterer. You can download various speech APIs for Balabolka. Speech APIs like aivoice, which is a free and open source speech synthesizer. It supports various languages like English, Georgian, Portuguese, Russian, Ukrainian, and more. For various Asian languages, you can install Echo and here to read speech APIs. You can also install third-party text-to-speech engines in Balabolka. So let's download, install and see the working and interface of Balabolka. You get two default speech APIs with chatter. These APIs are installed in your Windows OS. In the toolbar you will find tools which will help you to start, pause and stop the speech API. You can also change the rate and pitch and volume of the speech API. The options tabs helps you to correct pronunciations, check the spellings and import text from the clipboard. The tools tab have many tools inbuilt. The one tool which we will be looking now is use online TTS service. The online TTS service allows you to convert text to audio files. You don't need to install any additional software Audio files can be saved as WAV, MP3 or OGG format. The patch converting of the text file is available. Users can select from this list of SAPIs. These are online SAPIs. APIs like Google, Amazon Poly, Microsoft Azure, Yandex and more. To convert text to voice using online TTS service, you need to copy paste the text, give the path to save the file and hit the save file button. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, share and subscribe Tech Toolers.